In this episode, we will explain the use of lights and extra features in the Template Designer. Lights created in SimLab Composer's viewport will be rendered in your 3D PDF file. Note that you might need to increase their power values for them to cast enough light on PDF. Also mind that lights can decrease your file's performance. This here is the SimLab Template Designer, built to give you full control over designing your PDF file. First, you should know that you can use any other PDF or image file of your designs as a source like the one we have here, only to add the predefined empty space for the 3D area of your model. You can also set a custom button to have actions linked with, like playing an animation or applying a scene state or others. Furthermore, if you want to elevate your 3D PDF presentation, you can use texture baking to get much higher quality in visualization.